Have you ever wished you could turn back time and start over? Some jellyfish actually can. When faced with danger or aging, they're able to revert their cells to an earlier, juvenile state, a process called transdifferentiation. This means they can essentially hit a biological reset button, transforming from an adult back to a tiny offspring. In theory, this could happen over and over, giving these jellyfish the potential for immortality. It's like nature's ultimate second chance, challenging everything we thought we knew about life and death. In a world where time rules all, these creatures hold a timeless secret.